Right now I will show you how to change the IR touch frame. So first we have for the IR touch frame, because we have 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. But for these 3 corners, you only need to remove 3 of them. So like this is the first one. So as an engineer, I will show you this one. We'll take out the screw, and we need to remove this cover, this corner cover. Okay, this one remove. And then this second, I remove the screw and take this cover. And this is the second one. For this one, no need to remove. So, but for this side, you need to take out, remove the cover. Okay, I'll show you. So for this 3 corner, so be careful. You should know that we have the power button. Now this is the corner connect to this corner. So this will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is. So right now let me show you how to change the cable. So first, our engineer will show you. So you take out this cable, and then also this corner you also need to take out the cable. This cable already fit inside. You should take it out carefully. So lose this cable, and also you need to lose this cable. So as my engineer show you, also lose this cable. Okay. But this cable, lose this cable, and then this here we have this motherboard here, and then you this clip, and lose this cable. Okay, as the engineer show you. Okay, this way. Okay, and then take out. Okay, so this already take out, and then let me show you this one, this side, how to take out. Okay, so also like this one, okay, like this way, take out this cable. And also here, also lose this cable. Okay, there's a clip here. Okay, and take away. So and also you can take out. Okay, like this way. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, and then we should go to this way. This one, this way, and also take out. Okay, like this way also there's a cable. Loosen the cable. Okay. And then take out this IR touch PCB board. So this is already the PCB already take out. So this will be the same for this button. I think this one I will not show you, but the same procedure. So we need to take out, right? Yeah, take it out like this way. Yes, take out. So, but for this one, it's need to be tight. So you can see here the bottom. This one we have a cable. The connection is like this way, like this interface. Okay. So also need to loosen it. Let me show you. Okay. And then after lose this 2 cable, and also has 1 more port. This one, right? Okay. Okay. Now this one, this 2. And then this one already loosened, so by this way you can take it out. Okay, so by this way we already take out all this full touch frame. Okay, and then right now let me show you how to. So in case, for example, right now this touch frame got a problem, then we will change to a new touch frame. So right now I will show our engineer where insert a new touch frame. So we will show you how to insert. Okay, first no, maybe just show this one. Show this one. Show this one. So right now I will show you how to replace with the new IR touch PCB board. So be careful here. For this PCB board, you can see here we have button. We have the LED lighting here. The lighting at this side. This side do not have LED lighting. When you insert the new PCB board, this the LED lighting should at the bottom. Okay, as we showed you. Okay, we insert carefully. Do not push too hard because this should be easily to insert. If it's difficult to insert, that means your direction or the way you insert is not right. Okay, so rest of it already, our engineer already insert for you. So when you finish the insertion, and be careful, we have these two cable, 1, 2, and also these cables, so 2 or 3 cables. We should connect in the right way. So as we showed you, let me show you. So this is the first connection port. This is the second. This one is you should be careful. Okay, fix tightening and then insert to it this way. Okay, and then insert the second one, the side one, like this way. The same, this agent lighting at the bottom, and then insert. So the push it gently. So after that, you can use because we have a special tip. So we should make push this PCB board out at that side, so it's easy for you to take. So you should use a pen or use something to push it harder. Okay, and then this you can see here, this PCB board is already out, and then easy for you to take it out. And then you connect this cable. Okay, connect to this part. Okay, that's a clip. Just insert and press, and then this can fix tightening. So after that, you just push it back, and then make this cable, insert this cable clearly inside. Okay, and then some engineer will show you. And then after that, after you insert this cable tightly, and then you fix this cover, this corner cover, and then use the screwdriver to fix it like this way. So this already finished the one side for the corner. So now this one is also the same. So the same way. So let me finish for you. So also engineer will insert. The 1819 button should be inside, not the outside. The outside part. Okay. So after finishing insert, you should also the same. You should connect this cable, fix this cable at this side, this part. Okay. Push it and fix tightening, and then you insert it. Okay, and also fit in this cable inside. Be careful, make it clean. Okay, and then you also cover with this corner cover. Okay, and then after that you also use the screw to fix this corner. Okay, by this way we already successfully finished all the assembly for the IR touch frame. So if any other question, please contact our engineers. That's all. Thank you.